Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit quick parts on the Outlook website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section, and all you need to do, just type Outlook. So then type outlook.live.com and hit the enter button. Let's just wait a bit until it loads, and that will take you into this page. But if you are just logged in into your account, if you are not logged in into your account already, it will take you into another page. From that page, you'll be able to log in into your account from the top right corner sign in option, or you can just go and create your account if you don't have one from the middle bottom option. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this page. And of course, as we said, if you want to edit your quick parts on the Outlook website, so of course here for me I don't have any emails, but I'm just going to tell you what to do. So of course, if you want to edit some quick parts, of course you will have some already. So of course on the insert tab or in the text group, you all need to do just click at quick parts and then click at building blocks organizer. Then just go and click at the name of the building block that you want to rename or edit. Then just go and click at the edit option priorities or edit priorities option. Then in the modify building block dialog box, you would like to type a new name for the entry and then click OK. That's if you want to edit the name. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.